Welcome to the Sprocket Network. We're going to show you why the Sprocket Network LLC may be your once-in-a-lifetime investment opportunity. If that sounds like an overstatement and you're a bit hesitant at this point, that's understandable. All we ask of you is to do your homework on this one. So, let's start briefly here with two fundamental problems and the innovative solution to both that the Sprocket Network provides. The commercialization of innovation benefits society in many ways. However, most would be shocked at the number of innovations that are unable to be commercialized due to the lack of capital available for startup and early-stage companies. Historically, only 1.5% of startups raise equity capital, leaving 98.5% who do not. The primary reason most do not receive funding? It's not because they lack powerful ideas that can change the world. It's because these young companies are not properly engineered to succeed as businesses. They're just too risky. They're not yet the quality deal flow that Wall Street and corporate America seek. There's another problem. Wall Street and corporate America have an insatiable appetite for what is termed quality deal flow, meaning companies worthy of investment. Wall Street investment banks need quality later-stage companies to take public on stock exchanges. Corporate America, primarily Fortune 500 companies, need quality later-stage companies to buy in order to harness outside innovation for continued growth. But they are few and far between. There's a huge gap. This long-prevailing and dysfunctional situation is now disrupted by the Sprocket Network LLC. The Sprocket Network is owned and operated by former Wall Street investment bankers, securities attorneys, and IT pros. The paradigm has shifted, and it's making the world for startups and early-stage companies, and our world in general, a far better place. We have created the first-ever utility with the standard corporate and social engineering protocols used to effectively incubate startup and early-stage companies into the quality deal flow all investors seek. Young companies can now mitigate investment risk and maximize returns, attracting investment and human capital like never before. Wall Street and corporate America will fund and buy these early to later stage companies, closing that gap. Far more powerful innovations will now thrive, benefiting our economy and the societies of the world. This is your one chance to own preferred equity in the utility-creating Sprocket Network LLC. Sprocket Network LLC is also a major shareholder in Commonwealth Capital's venture fund that invests exclusively into pre-IPO companies. So, with one investment in Sprocket Network LLC, you'll not only be investing in the utility that incubates quality deal flow that Wall Street and corporate America seek, but you'll also participate in countless pre-IPO opportunities through ownership of that VC fund. As your next step, click below to view a short presentation by our CEO, and then be sure to read our private placement memorandum that follows. Most importantly, after you've read the PPM, contact us to set up a conference call with one of our senior executives. You'll be glad you did.